Miles Chapo Jones is set to go down against Mango Furo. Miles Jones is definitely one of the toughest fellas I've ever seen. Lost to Felipe Lima and Jean Matsumoto, but he was better than Douglas Silva than Andrade. He was better than Cody Gibson, Vince Morales. And Mango Furo is also a tough guy, but unlike Miles Jones, Mango Furo prefers striking. And living in Las Vegas, this Team Kakirov prospect defeated Rinji Nakamura and Kim Ho Kang, lost to Sid Magomedov, John Castaneda, but this is gonna be a close war. Miles Jones showed how much of a quality fighter he is in the match against very much high level Jean Matsumoto, and I'm saying over 2.5 if you're asking me about the side call, Miles Jones to win. Gonna be a good one.